Explaining to my little cousins why they can't play with my $2,000 gaming PC. You simply have less value. McDonald's sucks. Fuck off, Barbara. Nick. We are very sorry about Nick's actions. We have let him go. Please contact us for a free coupon. Man who identifies as 6-year-old dominates CrossFit Kids class. Doctor. Time to test your reflexes. Me. Dodges little knee hammer. The doctor. Girls. We are not friends anymore, don't talk to me. Boys, after a fight. Fuck you and I will see you tomorrow. Make shit like this just for clout. Shopping with mom. These are nice shoes. Okay, let's try another pair on. Shopping with dad. These are nice shoes. I know, let's buy them. You could give me 10 years to write a 3,000-word essay and I would still do it day before. Tell me thought's not an illness. I copied my project from Wikipedia. To protect from plagiarism, I then deleted that section from Wikipedia. Modern problems require modern solutions. My homies the morning after a sleepover. This new umbrella creates a force field of air to protect you from the rain. The person next to them. It's been 9 years since Elon Musk had this photo permanently removed from the internet forever. Son. Fails every subject. Dad. I am disappointed. Son. Hi, disappointed, I am son. Dad. 5th grade. Oh boy, I can't wait for high school, it's going to be so fun and awesome. High school. My Wi-Fi be like. Connected. Connected but no internet. Dog showed up for story time at library, but nobody came to read to him. Guys really live in apartments like this and don't see any issue. Girls. You don't know what failure feels like. Boys. I finally got it, homies. My PlayStation 5. Your swimming experience as a kid was never complete unless you tried to stand on one of these. Brayers do this look like Oreo cookies and cream to y'all. See you in court. This will forever be the hardest photo to exist. Y'all want a glass of pilk? Let's confuse children nowadays. Kids in movies will see this on the table, take a sip of orange juice and say I am late for the bus. Stick exists. Kids. It's been 20 years, bro, get over it. Do you remember we were saving for a house? Well, surprise. Shark swims up to diver for a cuddle every time she sees him. This has been going for 7 years. Everyone like that. Teacher. Will you share that with the class? Me who came prepared. Took my birds to the vet just to find out that they are sick as fuck. Last night my husband was drunk and he texts me this. You are the hottest girlfriend I have ever had. I am your wife. OMG, thoughts awesome. Me. Random girl I have mentioned once. My mom. 2010s. I can't believe he didn't cry during Titanic. Do men even have feelings? Right before my flight that man started fixing the turbine with a sticky tape. Liked by 6 people. Nobody. Video game trees. Imagine dragons. Okay, and now what? Mistakes make you stronger. Guy who made Shrek. Branded hat. Helicopter hat. Protects against sun. Attracts a mate. Allows flight. Japan. Japan in American movies. This MF dropped one song and dipped. Who TF is this? Somebody that we used to know. 2020 meme calendar. January. February. March. This is my childhood, not yours. Blow up out of nowhere. Overtake current lip sync creators. Cross 100 million in 3 months. Do not speak a word. Come on, brain. Play the dream where I am with her. Good morning, y'all. Starting my day off right. Ladies, if he take you here, are you complaining? Dark chocolate fans. Milk chocolate fans. Hating white chocolate. K. Okay. Potassium. 12-year-old me regretting something embarrassing I just did. 21-year-old me still regretting that thing. Hey honey, can you make me a sandwich? We'll be home in 15. Sure. Sandwich. Too late. What do you mean? I'm leaving you. Angry teacher. Okay, keep talking, I will wait. Class. Actually keeps talking. The teacher. If you remember these, you deserve a veteran's discount. Me when I guess my own Gmail password. Yeah bro, M and her DM making moves. The DMs. Batman. Obama. We meet again. It's been a long time. Nobody. Literally nobody. Ronaldo's refrigerator. Barber's shop. Women. $60. Men. $9. $0. Age 20. Kept getting fired from jobs because of his bad attitude. So broke at 32, had to go back and live with his parents, and the only work he could get was in the mailroom of his father's company. $700 million, age 61. Bullying. Average PE teacher. Average janitor. How I be looking at women after I drink their pepper spray. Divorce leads children to the worst places. League of Legends. Vegetables. We need to be stored in special conditions, with ideal humidity and temperature. Potatoes. Podcast enjoyers listening to 3.5 hours of absolutely nothing interesting going on. Mortar players. Learning what a woman is. This post made by X-Bow Gang. My work needs me. I am irreplaceable. Fuck zodiac signs. Watch Ampulad is the best. Another satisfied customer. Babe, please shave. Beard coming in nicely. Drake the type of bloke to tell you he farted cause he doesn't want there to be any secrets. Girl's pocket. Boy's pocket. What the dog doing? He is exploiting the working class. Damn bitch, you live like this. Hi, just curious, is it illegal to park in a mother and child bay if you don't have any children with you? Hi Oliver, would you suggest you refer the matter to the owner of the private car park? No, I think I want to refer this matter to you.